आज के लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंटोमोलॉजी इन इंडिया, जो कि 4 डिस्टिंक्ट फेजेस में डिवाइड है। एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री, 18th सेंचुरी, 19th सेंचुरी एंड 20th सेंचुरी। इसमें हम एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री में है तो सबसे पहले जो हनी हैज़ बीन नोन टू अस फ्रॉम प्री हिस्टोरिक टाइम। जो हनी था वो हम हिस्ट्री जो प्री हिस्टोरिक टाइम था उसी से हमें पता था हनी के बारे में, जिसको वेद, रामायण एंड कुरान और मैनी एंशिएंट बुक में भी डिस्कशन किया गया था इसका। जो ऋग्वेद मेंशन करता है हनी इज़ अ फेवरेट फूड ऑफ गॉड। जो अथर्ववेद में लाग इंसेक्ट का मेंशन है। उसके बाद महाभारत में उसका रेफरेंस दिखा गया है एज लाक्षागृह। उसका सिल्क प्रोडक्शन जो है सबसे पहले ओरिजिनेट हुआ था चाइना में नियरली 5000 ईयर्स अगो, जो स्लोली स्प्रेड हुआ इंडिया में। देन इंडियन प्रिंस सेंड गिफ्ट टू सिल्क क्लॉथ जो टू पर्शियन रूलर्स, दैट इंडिकेटिंग द इंडियन वर फेमिलियर विथ rearing of silkworm. In ancient script of Ramayana, Mahabharata, some of term used with related to insects जो पेप्लिका एंट, पतंगा ग्रासहॉपर, मधुमक्षिका हनीबी एंड अंबिका पालिका टर्माइट क्वीन। इसका रेफरेंस टू इंसेक्ट एंड बी बीटल फ्लाइज व फाउंड इन संस्कृत डिक्शनरी अम्रकोशा and book like Arthashastra and Chanakya Sutra etc. In Arthaveda concerning the control of pest infesting crop, human and animal. All these indicate that in ancient Indian was well acquainted with insect. जो 18th century में the literature in entomology was scanty for first 17th century AD. The earliest record of Indian insect is that of Carolus Linnaeus, who include 28 species, and then उन 28 species में भी 12 species only insect he mentioned in his book Systema Nature, जो कि पब्लिश हुई थी 1758 में। और उसके जो राइटर थे वो थे कार्लस लीनियस। जो फर्स्ट रेगुलर वर्क ऑन इंडियन इंसेक्ट ऑन साइंटिफिक लाइन जो इनिशिएट किया था डॉक्टर ग्रिगर्ड कोइन ने, जो 1728 से 1785 तक उन्होंने अपना काम किया था। उसके बाद ही कलेक्टेड द इंसेक्ट ऑफ कोरोमंडल कोस्ट एंड सेंड टू कार्लस लीनियस एंड जेसी फेब्रिकस for identification. Fabricus named the red cotton bug after Coin as Didericus Coin. He published a special account of termites on Thanjavur district. Then John Christian Fabricus, who received a large number of insect collection from some Christian missionaries and officials of East Indian companies and include more than 1000 species in his publication. एंटोमोलॉजिया सिस्टमिका, जो कि पब्लिश हुई थी 1792 से 98 में उन्होंने पब्लिश की थी। जॉन क्रिश्चियन फैब्रिकस ने अपनी बुक एंटोमोलॉजिया सिस्टमिका। द एंशिएंट सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल वॉज फर्स्ट साइंटिफिक सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट कलकत्ता in 1785. The society encouraged the insect collection and exhibition of Indian insect and published entomology literature. देन इन 19th सेंचुरी बुशन जो ट्रेवलर थे उन्होंने रूट की थी एक किताब कल्टीवेशन ऑफ लाक इन इंसेक्ट इन इंडिया एंड द सेरिकल्चर इन सम पार्ट ऑफ साउथ इंडियन। 1800 में उन्होंने ये बुक रूट की थी दो, कल्टीवेशन ऑफ लाक इन इंडिया एंड सेरिकल्चर इन सम पार्ट ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। एंड डेनोवन पब्लिश्ड नेचुरल हिस्ट्री ऑफ insect, which was first contribution on the insect of Asia and was revised in 1842 by Westwood. The publication of Indian Museum Note was started in 1889 and 5 volumes were published between 1889 to 1903. These are monumental publications in economic entomology and may even said to constitute the birth of applied entomology in India. Then the Bombay Nature History Society was founded in 1883. Since in 1886, with the publication of first issue of Journal of Bombay Natural History Society, the numerous contributions of Indian society were published in journal. The publication of Fauna of British Indian series were started by the Government of India from London in 1892. The first of the series being on the moth fauna of India. In 20th century, the Lionel Niceville was appointed the first entomologist to Government of India in 1901. जो लियोनेल डी नाइसवेली थे वो जो फर्स्ट एंटोमोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में अपॉइंट हुए थे विद हेडक्वार्टर एट इंडियन म्यूजियम कलकत्ता नाउ एज कोलकाता. Harlot Maxwell Lefroy was the first entomologist to the Government of India in 1903 in the place of Nice Valley, but was posted at Surat, especially from study of cotton pest in 1905 when the Imperial Agricultural Institute was established at Pusa in Bihar. Lefroy was transferred there as the first imperial entomologist. Lefroy did pioneer work on Indian insect and published two valuable books, Indian Insect Pest and Indian Insect Life. जो लेफ्रॉय थे वो लियोनेल डी नाइसवेली की जगह जो पूसा में इंडियन एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट जो था वो इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था उसमें एज अ हेड रखे गए थे जिन्होंने दो बुकें इशू की मतलब पब्लिश की थी इंडियन इंसेक्ट पेस्ट एंड इंडियन इंसेक्ट लाइफ. टीवी फ्लेचर succeeded H.M. Lefroy as imperial entomologist in 1913. He devoted his attention mainly to the insect taxonomy and built up excellent library and a valuable insect collection, particularly of Lepidoptera. He also started the publication of the Catalogue of Indian Insect. He organized five All Indian Entomologist meeting at Pusa between 1953 1915 to 1923. During this tenure, Government of Madras made extensive observation on agricultural and horticultural pests, which were later on embodied his book Some South Indian Pests in 1914. E.P. Stebbing was appointed Imperial Forest Entomologist in 1900 and with the establishment of Forest Research Institute at Dehradun in 1906 published book Indian Forest Economic Importance कोलियोप्टेरा में इन्होंने 1914 में पब्लिश की थी ये बुक. The Geological Survey of India was started in 1916 in Indian Museum at Kolkata. The Entomologist Society of India was established in 1938 with the M.A. Hussain as the founder president. The society started publication at Indian Journal of Entomology in 1939 and Hem Singh Pruthi as the first chief editor. Dr. S. Pradhan is considered the father of modern applied entomology in India and developed a biometer, a ready reckoner for estimating the amount of development and the number of generation in any given period and under any range of temperature and fluctuation. He propounded the famous biotic theory on periodicity of locust cycle, mode of action of DDT, and he was first to visualize the country need for IPM and had organized an international seminar on integrated pest control in 1969. Professor A.S. Atwal is considered the father of modern beekeeping in India because he was the first scientist to successfully introduce Apis mellifera. The entomon insectology means study, the branch of science which deals with the study of insect. The word insect was derived from insicare, which means to cut in two. The insect belongs to phylum Arthropoda, which is biggest phylum of animal kingdom. The insect appeared 350 million years ago, much earlier than human being, who appear on Earth only 150,000 years ago. They are initially aquatic, later became terrestrial. They There are much variation in size and shape of insect. Insects are distributed everywhere, from cooler part to the hottest tropic. They live in water, land, air, desert, high mountain, etc. They can seen in crop plant garden, libraries, museum, stores, etc. Aristotle made investigation about flies, honeybee, and etc. 1745 to 1808 to J.C. Fabricus made a extensive study of Indian insect for the first time and classified insect into three order based on types of mouthpart. 1758 में the beginning of modern Indian entomology with the publication of 10th of Systema Nature by Carlos Linnaeus, where only 12 Indian insects were included, and it formed first record. 1767 से 1769 में J.C. Coing initiated the first regular scientific work on Indian insect and supplied the insect specimen to systematists like Linnaeus, Fabricus, Kramer, and Dure. 1782, Dr. Kerr published an account of lark insect. 1840 में Rev Hope published a paper Entomology of Himalayas and India. In 1893, Dr. Rodney published a book Indian Ants, earliest recorded of biological pest control in India, that is, white ant attack on stationary item kept free by red ant. In 1897 में Sir Ronald Ross, an IMS officer in charge of Madras Regiment stationed in Begamat, made the discovery of a malarial parasite and desiccated Anopheles mosquito. History of entomology. 1901 में Lionel D. Nicevally was appointed as first entomologist to Government of India. Then Maxwell Lefroy succeeded as second entomologist. In 1906 में publication of Indian insect pest by Maxwell Lefroy. In 1909, publication of Indian Insect Life by Maxwell Lefroy. In 1914, T.V. Fletcher, the first government entomologist of Madras state, wrote a book, Some South Indian Insects. In 1914, E.P. Staving, the first imperial forest entomologist, published Indian Forest Insects of Economic Importance, Coleoptera. In 1937, a laboratory of storage pest was started at Hapur, UP. In 1937, entomology division was started in IARI, New Delhi. In 1939, the establishment of locust burning organization after the locust plague during 1926 to 32. 1940 में टी.वी. रामाकृष्ण अय्यर wrote a book, Handbook of Economic Entomology for South India. In 1953, National Malarial Eradication Program was launched. In 1960, The Desert Locust in India, monograph by Ramachandra Rao. In 1963, the textbook of Agricultural Entomology H.S. Pruthi ने लिखी थी. In 1968 में General Entomology M.S. Mani. In 1969, Insect Pest of Crop S. Pradhan. In 1975, The Elements of
इकोनॉमिक एंटोमोलॉजी, बी बसंतराज डेविड एंड के कुमारा स्वामी. In 1975, Insect and Mites of Crop in India, M.R. and G.K. Nair. In 1976, Journal and Applied Entomology, K.K. Nair and N. Anand Krishna and V. बसंतराज डेविड, इन्होंने ये पब्लिश की थी बुक इन 1976 में. थैंक यू.